guys, just about, oh, there it is, it's done. This is the start. This is the first part. I just put this in. This water was really clean, and this is just the top of the carburetor. This is that AVS carburetor. Let's see how it looks. Let's see if I can get out of this water. It's really hot. Let's see. Well, that looks pretty good to me. Even the plating on the sides is pretty clean. I probably could go in for another 10 minutes or so. Let me see if I can get down to the bottom. Let's check the bottom side. Well, that's pretty clean. I'm gonna keep on going. I got some small parts I'm gonna put in now, and then I'm gonna get on to the bottom part, see how everything looks. If I have to put them back in for a little bit, I will. But I'm pretty impressed with this ultrasonic cleaner. Does a pretty damn good job. This is the small parts and the air horn for the carburetor. Everything came out amazingly clean with that sonic cleaner. I mean, even the brass, everything, the screws, these boosters are like, they're so clean. That was a little bit of a rough spot right there in the back. There's a lot of funk in there, and this one here is a little cleaner. I'll brush that other one out a bit. I got to go through and check the air bleeds and the emulsion tubes anyways. With the wire, here's the original step-up pistons and metering rods. This is the accelerator pump and the bowl vent linkages. They're perfect. All the brass, I cleaned up all the brass, these jets, even the I even have, this is the one with the check ball in it, that's for the accelerator pump. Well, the controlled vacuum leak maker, it's all good. Everything is really clean. That's the lids and the screws for the step-up pistons and the drop rods. Everything is mint. This is the other side. Look at the, I mean, even the butterflies are clean as a whistle. It even took rust off. All the outside linkages. I didn't take all this apart. I didn't go too crazy on it. It was pretty dirty, but it seems that it got everything, got right in there and cleaned everything. So I got the bottom in there now. It's soaking. The bottom of the carburetor, the throttle body bottom. That's soaking in there now. I'm waiting for the tank to heat up again. I just changed the solution that I made. I used purple power cleaner, a little bit of Dawn, and clean fresh water, and it's down in there, but that water is really hot, so I ain't sticking my hands in it now. You can see the bubbles. It's not even, I don't even have it on yet. I'm just waiting for it to heat up. But when that gets done, I will show you guys. And there's the bottom, guys. Still got a little bit of stuff in here, but I think what I'm going to do is, because this carburetor is so old, and like I said, it was sitting in a cellar for about 30 years, and it was really damp down there. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to take some very light 1000 grit paper or something and just smooth these barrels out a little bit. Yeah, I'll have to smooth them out just a little bit. It's kind of rough, but it's aluminum. But it came out really good. Even the linkages, this one's got a little bit of a funky setup on here. Somebody twisted a piece of wire on it instead of using a clip, but we'll be fixing all that. Everything is really clean on it. Again, like I said, it's a 45-year-old carburetor, but man, it's a big difference from what it was when I started. It's really good now. It's definitely rebuildable. Looks good to me. But as soon as I get a rebuild kit for this, I got to get a hold of probably Mike's carburetor parts and see if he's got one for this particular model. And then we'll be putting it together. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.